name's Catherine Padilla, and I am product designer for My Little Pony.
Hi, my name is Yusan Huang, design director for My Little Pony franchise brand.
This is the Elements of Friendship line that's exclusively at Toys R Us. What's unique about these products is that we added some wonderful treatments that we've never done before. For our core cast, we put overall glitter on the pony, and also it has mylar hair. We are offering a pony form and a mini doll form together. Gilda is an exclusive character for this line, and also Manticore.
It is very exciting because
fans can collect My Little Pony core product and Equestria Girls mini product with a story of Elements of Harmony.
Elements of Harmony is all about celebrating individuality.
It's a very strong message, especially for little girls. The girls can relate back like, oh, this is, the elements of laughter or the elements of kindness.
The best power in the end is when all these elements of friendship come together as a whole.
It's an opportunity for them to play out a story in the show. Also, you get all 6 Equestria Girls mini dolls in one line. What's better than that?
Available exclusively at Toys R Us.